books, page number 1. Evolution of man. In prehistoric times, our earth was very different from what it is today. It was a difficult place to live in. The climate was colder than it is today. Different kinds of plants and animals existed in those days and have evolved as the environment changed over the years. Early humans also looked different from what they are today. They were called hominids. The evidence of the earliest hominids has been found in Africa. Early humans lived in natural caves and under the trees. They used stone tools to hunt wild animals. They always lived in small groups and moved from one place to other in search of food. Modern human beings appeared on earth about 40,000 years ago. Have you ever seen a chimpanzee? You will be surprised to know that chimpanzees were our ancestors. In fact, chimpanzees and human beings have a common ancestor named the great ape that lived in Africa. Stages in the evolution of man. Thousands of years ago, changes in weather conditions on the earth led to a decrease in the number of trees. Apes that lived on treetops started to live on the ground. They learned to stand on their two hind limbs. These human like apes were called the hominids. As the hominids learned to walk on the ground, their hands became free. Gradually, they learned to use their hands to hold stones and to make tools. At this stage, the early human was known as handyman. Slowly and steadily, the handyman learned to walk straight and was now known as the upright man. Their hands and faces looked a lot like the way we today. Finally, the upright man evolved into Homo sapien. The word Homo sapien means the wise human. Modern human beings are all Homo sapiens. Evolution is a process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from earlier forms during the history of the earth. Prehistory, the period of human history that is prior to the advent of writing. Ancestor, an animal that lived in the past from which a modern animal or human has developed. Evolution of man. Can you see the screen, everyone? Yes? Okay. So the first thing is we are in theme 5. Theme name is continuity and change. Week 1. And the topic is evolution of man. In prehistoric time, our earth was not the same what it is. Okay, it is different from what it is today, and it was a difficult place to live in. Why it was a difficult place? Why this sentence is written here? Because see, now the climatic conditions are different. Now we are leading a peaceful life, to be frank. But during this like thousands of years ago, it was not the way it is today. It was very cold. Earth was very different. And it is very hard to live in such a place also. The climate was colder than it is today. See, now this cold climate condition only we are not able to tolerate. Then how we can tolerate minus degrees? So very, very cold. So different kinds of plants and animals also exist in those days. Different kinds of plants and animals also exist in those days and evolved. Evolved means they were present that time. And there was a lot of environment changes also. Okay. So in the prehistoric time, the earth was not the same which we are seeing today. So now we are, whatever the earth we are seeing, to we are very what you can say fortunate. Fortunate means lucky. Now the conditions of the earth, the climatic conditions or the soil present, the rains, whatever the seasons, everything, they are according to our convenient. But before, this was not the situation. Their earth took lot of changes. See, it was like this. Earth was like this. Most of the earth was covered with water, very cold climatic conditions. Most number of plants and animals were there. Human beings were not there at that time. Okay, so mostly plants and animals only were there. Wherever you see plants, animals completely covered with water with cool climatic conditions. So what happened? Slowly, slowly, early man also looked different from what they are today. Okay, early man also was there. Now, actually, from where this early man came? So early man and we are the we came means we evolved from the ancestor, our ancestor called as great ape. So this early man was called as hominids. Okay, the evidence of these earliest hominids has found in Africa. Evidence means proof. Means how does we came to know that early man was there? Means there are some proofs that were found in Africa. In Africa, they found that proofs that early man was there. We came from early man. So early man, first chimpanzee slowly, slowly developed into man, early man, and early man again slowly, slowly he developed. Now, what is the modern man? We are the okay. We came from the early man. So this was the life of early man. You can see the picture here. How the great ape chimpanzee, how it developed and became a man. Then what was the lifestyle of that early man? See, you can see the chimpanzee's lifestyle and early man lifestyle. They wander from one place to the other in search of food. They don't have any work. Early man lived in natural caves and under the trees. They used stone tools to hunt wild animals. And one more thing, they used to move in groups. They used to move in groups from one place to the other in search of food. They lived in natural caves. They don't have shelters like us. We are having shelters, we are having buildings, we are living in the houses. Okay, buildings, apartments, villas. But early man don't have that facility. He used to live in natural caves or under big trees, under the shade of big trees or branches. And they don't have tools like us. Tools means which are used to kill the animals. So they used to make the tools with stones only, or sharp edges like sticks. Okay, wooden sticks. So they always move in groups. Why? In search of food. See, like this. They used to live in caves, yes, to protect themselves, and they moved in groups so that they can kill the animals, because the only thing they have to do is in search of food. That's all, no other work. So, modern human beings appeared on the earth about 40,000 years ago. Means 40,000 years ago, modern man was there, it seems. Before that, early man was there. So, modern means what we are doing. 40,000 years ago, modern man was there. Now, have you ever seen a chimpanzee? Yes, we will see a chimpanzee like in zoos or any natural sanctuaries, we will see. So, we are surprised to know that we came from chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are our ancestors. We came from chimpanzees. So, our ancestor is named as Great Ape. Great Ape, Great, Great Ape, 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 that lived in Africa. So this is the evolution of man. What is the meaning of this evolution of man? Means how man has came into exist from chimpanzee to modern man. How he came. See, you can see in this picture, first it is a chimpanzee. Slowly, slowly, it used its four limbs, back two limbs and front two limbs. Then slowly, slowly, it started walking on the ground. Then it used only two legs to walk and two front limbs to do work. Then upright man, straight man, early man, modern man. This is the story. This is the evolution. Okay. Now, what are the stages in this evolution? What do you mean by stages? Means how they had developed. What are the stages? How they are developed. So, thousands of years ago, They took a lot of change in the weather conditions. So due to this weather conditions, what happened? Most of the plants has decreased. See, children, we cannot say anything regarding this weather because you can't predict how the weather will be at what time. You can't say when weather changes will appear. You can't tell. That is weather. That's all natural process which is taking place on the earth. So you can't tell this weather will be like this here or like that. You can't say. So there was a lot of changes in weather. How? Maybe earthquakes, maybe cool climatic conditions, maybe tsunamis, volcanoes. Okay, these are all different types of weather conditions. Every time they will be changing. So once if the weather is changing like this, what happened? It affects the nature. So when it affects the nature, automatically there will be a lot of effect to the living condition. Living condition means maybe plants or animals. So due to this weather condition, what happened? They decreased the number of trees on the earth. So once the number of trees has decreased, what happened? The apes which were living on the tree tops started living on the ground. So, because their shelter has gone now. Trees are the shelters no for apes. Apes means chimpanzees. Chimpanzees, monkeys, orangutans, where they will live on trees only. Nowadays also we can see most of the monkeys they will be climbing and playing on trees. If they don't have trees, that is the reason children you should keep this thing in your mind. Nowadays we are seeing monkeys in cities also. Why? Why this problem came? Can anyone tell? Why this problem came? Can anyone tell? Because we are cutting forest. Yes, we are destroying their shelter, so they are coming and falling on our houses. This is the only thing why monkeys are coming to the cities. Nowadays, we can see monkeys in cities, big, big cities also, we are able to see monkeys. In olden days, monkeys, we used to not see like this. If you go to forest, then only we used to see monkeys. But it's not the position nowadays. See, for example, you take in my house, no, daily monkeys will be coming. We will complete our work and just we will leave on the trees and everything they will be destroying. Why? Because we have destroyed their shelter, so they are coming and destroying our shelter. Natural thing. So trees are the shelters of these chimpanzees, monkeys, and orangutans. So what happened when these trees were not there? They started living on the ground. So they have to come down exactly correct, definitely to the ground. So what happened when they started living on the ground? They learned to stand on their two hind limbs. Two hind limbs means legs. So they started living on the two hind limbs. So they were called as hominids. Just imagine a monkey will have two back legs and two front legs. Once it started walking on two legs and the front two legs, two hind limbs, what will happen? They will become hands like us. So chimpanzee also same position. See, you can see in this picture. See here. So first it was in this picture you can see so many chimpanzees are there. So in this evolution of man, you see first it started walking on the four limbs. Slowly, only legs were used. Then hands they were developed, and slowly it became like a completely it became like an abstract man. Now first two limbs became hands, and next two limbs became legs. Okay, this is the position. So they are called as hominids. See like this. Okay, first they used to walk on like four limbs they used to use. Afterwards, when they came down, when they started living on the ground, now back two limbs became legs, front two limbs became hands. See like this. As the hominids learned to walk on the ground, their body became free now. Now they don't need to bend down. Now they became straight, they became free. Gradually they learned to use the hands to hold stones and to make tools. So slowly, what happened? They habited themselves to use the first two limbs like hands. This stage is called as handyman. Why you call as handyman? Because you are using your first two limbs as hands. Keep this in your mind. First two limbs are called as hands. That's why this stage the man is called as handyman. You can see here. Gradually they learn to use the hands to hold stones and make tools. At this stage, the early humans are known as handyman. Slowly and steadily, the handyman learned to walk straight, and this stage is called as upright man. Upright man means like us. Now their hands and faces look okay. Now look, not exactly like chimpanzee, but like early man. Slowly, slowly, finally, the upright man evolved into a Homo sapien. Homo sapien means modern man. The word Homo sapien means the wise human. Wise human means where we are using our common sense, thinking capacity. Early man don't have that common sense thinking capacity. But modern man means we only. We are having common sense. Yes, including the five senses, this Homo sapiens has a common sense, sixth sense. We call it as sixth sense. What are the five senses? Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and tongue, skin. These are the five senses. And the sense is common sense. You call as common, means thinking capacity. We human beings has that common sense. That's the reason the modern human beings are called as Homo sapiens. We are called as Homo sapiens because we have thinking capacity. We know what is right, we know what is wrong. We are not behaving like early man. So these are the different stages of evolution of early man.